it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I am doing a collab with Sara's Realm and some other great ladies. She has paired us up, and my partner is Easily Influenced Mama, and her name is Claire. She does cooking, cleaning, and mom life videos, and what a coincidence that she is only an hour away from me in North Carolina, so I was glad that we were paired together. She gave me a recipe for poppy seed chicken, and I've never had it before, so I'm excited to try it. And the playlist will be linked below so you can watch all the other awesome recipes. So if you're new, my name is Ann, and I am married to Doug and have a son and a daughter, Jordan and Matt, and Jordan has given me 2 grandchildren, and after 2 years, I worked at my job for 19 years, and I quit 2 years ago to stay home and watch her boys, and it has been a blessing ever since. So if you're new here, I hope you will like and subscribe. I do cooking videos, I do some gardening, some canning, just a little bit of everything when I have time, because, you know, taking care of 2 boys under 2 years old is a lot. So I hope you will check out the ladies' videos below, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. So let's get started. Okay, it's a very quick and easy recipe. It only calls for 3 cups of cooked chicken, which I use canned chicken from my pantry that I home canned, and it's not quite 3 cups, but it'll be okay. I've got 16 ounces of sour cream. I don't know why I had 2 containers half full, so I combined them so I would know how much I had. It calls for 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds, and I have some there. A can of cream of chicken soup. I'm just using the Great Value. I've got 1/4 a cup of butter, and I've got the crackers. It calls for 30 crackers, so all I did was take that whole sleeve was 30, so I just left them in the pack and just crushed them with a meat mallet. That's all we're gonna need, so let's get started. Okay, it says to add the chicken. Okay, then I'm gonna add the cream of chicken, the sour cream, gonna add the 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds. So now I'm gonna just mix this up. It already smells delicious. The recipe says to lightly grease your baking dish, so I had just a little bit of butter left. So I'm just going to grease the pan with that. Okay, so I'm gonna add my mixture to the greased baking dish. Okay, I mixed the butter and the crackers. And now I'm going to just add that to the top so I can show you. Okay, and I'm going to put this in the oven and bake it for 35 minutes. Okay, the timer went off and it's ready. Smells so good. Okay, so here is the finished product. Doesn't that look delicious? I made some buttered rice, got a little pat of butter there. I made some peas with some butter, salt, and pepper. And now I'm going to add the finishing touches, a crescent roll, and we're ready to eat. Okay, that was delicious. I mean, you can even see that the rice spilled on my shirt. It was so good. I was shoveling in so fast. It was delicious. Thank you, Claire, for the recipe. That will be a recipe I will make a lot. I mean, that was so quick and easy. You know, if you didn't have to film a video, that would be a 15-minute to 30-minute meal, especially if you maybe had the chicken already in your refrigerator and all you had to do was just combine everything together. I made some rice and some peas, and it was just a quick and easy meal, and it was very delicious. I think the poppy seeds made it even better, and I will definitely make it again. So I want to thank Sara from Sara's Realm for doing the collab, and thank you, Claire, Easily Influence Mama, for the recipe. Check out the link below in the description box and check out all the other ladies' videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and also to Sara's Realm and Easily Influence Mama, and you will find some great recipes and videos there. This is Ann from What's Up Family Home, and I'll see you in the next video.